What's up guys? I know बहुत टाइम के बाद vlog बना रहा हूँ and शायद the last vlog I made was in Bali जब I was in second year. अब आप believe नहीं करोगे but I'm currently about to be done with my third year. और आज का जो vlog है it is basically gonna be an informative vlog about my college क्योंकि I know बहुत सारे new joiners first year like 0th year वाले might wanna check out our college. So this would be a detailed college review and a detailed walk around review of my college. एंड आज मेरा प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव है फॉर कंपनी नोन एज एवर्ड्स, तो इसको एवर्ड्स के ऊपर भी इट वुड बी अ थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो बिकॉज ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब पे मैंने देखा कहीं पे भी उसके बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एंड स्टफ एंड क्या क्या प्रिपेयर करना, क्या क्या आता है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस, हायरिंग प्रोसेस, व्हाट आर द राउंड्स, व्हाट विल बी आस्क्ड एंड ऑल, तो वो आप में इस वीडियो में आई कवर इट विथ यू. सो गाइज अभी बज रहे हैं अराउंड 10:30 10:40 एंड मेरा रिपोर्टिंग टाइम है आज 11 बजे, आई मीन 11:30 को. तो लेट्स गेट रेडी. बाय द वे यू माइट बी नोटिसिंग कि ये रूम थोड़ा अलग रह रहा है बट आई एम इन द सेम पीजी, बट वो ऑन द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम आई स्विच्ड माई रूम फ्रॉम 2 शेयरिंग रूम टू अ सिंगल शेयरिंग रूम. तो अभी मेरा रूम देख सकते हैं, अभी फ़िलहाल थोड़ा क्लटर्ड है बट टिपिकल गाइस रूम. ये आई थिंक मेरी पीजी में है एंड द कॉस्ट इज़ अराउंड, आई मीन द कॉस्ट इज़ अफोर्डेबल, सेम फॉर द फॉर द क्या कहते हैं, 2 sharing and 1 sharing, it is the most affordable in my area. So if you would want, if the new students who are watching me for the first time, if you want to know PG reviews and like कौन सा अच्छा PG and like where you can stay and all, आस पास में near the college जैसे city, do let me know in the comments and I'll let you know about it. You can text me on Instagram and I can help you out with the information and let you in on all the queries that you may have. चलो let's get back to get ready. Guys, finally हो गए ready. This is the outfit आज के लिए. I mean formal outfit obviously because पहला राउंड तो अभी करें. अभी है ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट जिसमें होगा आपका 60 क्वेश्चन 60 मिनट्स और सब MCQ होंगे. There's no dedicated DSA round अभी according, but this is all gonna be based on your computer domains and broadcasting Linux and your C program जो भी आप चूज़ करते हैं. तो further details on that later on because अभी I'm very late and this is me तैयार हो गया. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11:10. They have preponed it for about 15 minutes, तो मुझे अभी 5 मिनट में कॉलेज पहुँचना है. बाकी from there on after the exam I will update you guys about what happened and what are the questions and what will be the further rounds, explaining the complete hiring process of awards, and then I'll show you about around the college completely. So wish me luck. See you later. We were supposed to wait before giving the test. वापस आ गए हैं दोस्तों and well the first round is done finally. तो we started at around 12:45 and it lasted till 1:45, the whole testing round, which is the first round जिसमें it consisted of 60 MCQ questions in 60 minutes. And उसके पहले before that they asked us to sit down and then register again for the test. It's just a small registration concerning your name and your percentage, aggregate percentage till the 5th semester, and your name, Gmail account, and your phone number, and then the test starts. Okay, so Abhi will get in depth of the whole complete hiring process. Let me get back to you after I change my clothes. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back दोस्तों. फ्रेश हो गए हैं, खाना पीना खा लिया मस्त, कुरकुरे सांभर राइस. अगर आप बेंगलोर में आएंगे तो यही आपको नसीब है, पीजी वगैरह में सांभर एंड राइस कांस्टेंट हर दिन. तो मेक श्योर यू हैव एन हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग ये सब चीज़ एंड वेजिटेबल्स. अगर आप नखरा करते हैं तो आपको बहुत दिक्कत हो सकता है. सो बैक टू बिजनेस. अब आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ अवार्ड्स. ठीक है, फर्स्ट राउंड वाज बेसिकली एन ऑनलाइन तुम्हारा टेक्निकल राउंड है. तो आई बी एक्सप्लेनिंग द होल प्रोसेस इन इंग्लिश सो दैट इट helps everyone understand, not only the English, Kannada, Tamil, Hindi, Telugu people, right? So Hindi में तो मैंने बोल ही दिया. I'll be continuing in English. Telugu में इदी वीडियो इदी व्लॉग ప్రతి థర్డ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్ కోసం ఉంది. సో that's in Telugu. And for Kannada, will I be able to clear the first round of awards? Gottilla. Okay, so moving on. So Everts is basically a microsystems. Everts Microsystem Limited is a Canadian multinational company, ठीक है, which develops हमारा software and hardware for products and services for broadcasting and streaming services, ठीक है. In short, it's a company that works basically towards broadcasting or streaming your channels, online channels such as your Disney, Discovery, NBA games, MLB, and all. Then they stream it. Okay? So this was about the company. Now for freshers, this is the whole process will be for on campus. I'm not sure about off campus, but I'll be explaining everything for on campus as I'm going through it currently. So on campus, they'll be offering around 5 to 5.5 LPA for freshers, and the role is not immediately decided. It is decided after your internship. Once you clear everything, you will be given an internship for 6 months, which will be given for 15,000 stipend to 20,000 stipend is what I heard. So every month 15 to 20,000 stipend will be given, and your timings will be from 1 to 9. This is about the internship. I'm not sure about the internship too much. Abhi details itna aaya nahi hai. The details are not given abhi itna. Baki now the whole process, okay, the whole hiring process starts from here. So it consists of 4 rounds basically. First, the company will be coming to your college for a pre-placement talk. In the pre-placement talk, basically they tell you about what are the company values, how they work, what they expect from you, what the company does, and how the hiring rounds will be. Right? When you do the pre-placement talk, they give you a registration form. Basically, in that you are supposed to give your details around your CGPA, your Gmail, your PAN card number, your all your information about you, your 10th, 12th ke marks, and apart from that, your basic details. You get the point. After you register, they'll be shortlisting a list of eligible students. And I don't remember the eligibility criteria, but I think you are not supposed to have any gap in the sense after 12th you should be the one immediately joining the college and not be taking any year drop or anything. No drops, no year backs, no gaps. And I think there is also a active back requirement, in the sense that you should not be having any active backlog during the test. So if you have any, make sure you clear it before 5th or before 6th semester, so that you'll be able to sit for this company. Okay. Now the first round, as I gave it today, was for an online assessment, which consisted of your 60 questions in 60 minutes, and they had 6 sections. So the sections were aptitude, CN, DBMS, Linux, broadcasting, and your programming language. So from the programming languages, you get the option of C, C++, Python, and Java. If you see, wondering why I'm looking down, I have my notes here. And from this, you are supposed to choose any one of their language, and then they give 10 MCQ questions based on this. Each section has 10 questions, so 6 sections, 60 questions, right? So 10, 10, 10 per question, per section, I mean. And now there is no coding round as such. Okay? So we didn't have any coding round. It's all MCQ. For how the test was, I think I did okay. It was pretty fine. The sections were consisted of easy to hard questions. I mean, if you know only basics, you'll be able to solve only some questions. But if you're in depth, if you have in-depth knowledge, okay, with all the 6 sections, you'll be able to solve it quickly. I think aptitude aptitude and CN and programming were fine. Baki the other 3, Linux, DBMS, and broadcasting were tough, is what I felt. And again, will I be able to clear the round? Gottilla. Yeah, and this will be about the company. Once you clear the first round, they give you a call. The HR gives you a call, basically, not the college. The HR gives you a call for an interview. Okay? Now, once you clear this, I don't know about the cutoff. They have not disclosed anything yet. The cutoff is not given yet. So once you clear the cutoff, you are called by the HR at any point of time. First, in the sense, it will be given the time of August. Today is the 25th, I think, 24th, yeah, 24th July. So in the month of August, they'll be calling the shortlisted students for 2 rounds of interviews. One will be the first technical round, and the second will be the second technical round. Once you have cleared both of these, you'll be going to the managerial round or the HR round, basically the final round in which they give you the offer and all. I'm not too sure. No one has given too much of an update or like information about how the technical round goes. Even if you search up on YouTube, there is not much of information available on Everts and how the hiring process is. So I thought maybe it would be good if I did it as a student who just experienced the whole hiring process, right? And so yeah, so from what I've heard, from what I've researched, the technical rounds will consist of questions based on your CN and DBMS and broadcasting in depth. They'll be asking you in depth knowledge of it, and they might ask you to code based on the programming language you have chosen. They might give you a question and they might ask you to code it and give an output. And it might be the same for the technical round. It might be a little more advanced. And if you're able to clear both of them, you go into the HR round, which is probably conducted by the vice president of the company. I'm not too sure. And on the basis of that, then you are given an offer letter. First, you do an internship. On the basis of your performance, they convert you into a full-time employee. So yeah, if Everts is coming to your college in due time, or you're a student of second year, first year, or even a student who's just watching in this video on the 12th, it might be a good practice if you want to get into the software developer side to be able to learn all these computer domain subjects and make your coding strong. We didn't have much time. I was not able to study everything thoroughly because we had a lot of placement and college activities which did not give me the ample time I needed, but it's fine. I was still able to do many of the questions. Apart from that, if you guys have any questions regarding anything, the whole process, or anything you might just want to ask, just comment down or hit me up on my Instagram or LinkedIn. I'll be dropping both of them down, all my profiles down there. And for more videos like this, as I'm a student, I'll be eligible for many of the drives, so I'll be able to cover it for you. And in the upcoming videos, I may, if I don't get selected for Everts, and if my friends do, I'll be able to get an interview with them, so that it helps you understand more about the company and how the hiring process goes. And if you have any questions, please do let me know. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And भाई help करो यार, मतलब student है फिर भी यार मतलब थोड़ा help is nice, बाकी this is the first part of the video, because I think this video could be taken down. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it could be taken down. The second part would consist of the whole detailed walk around of my college, review and everything of my college. It's basically for everyone who wants a updated 2024 video for my college, who might be selecting my college, JSS ATE Bangalore, for their preference round in Comet K, the seating selection or whatever, all the 3 rounds. So it might help you out with that. So stay tuned and watch the next video. This is one of the parts. Second part will come tomorrow. Peace.